Welcome back to Wheelwise Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth insights on the latest cars and electric vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 DS 9010, a luxury plug-in hybrid that blends French sophistication with cutting-edge technology. This model is designed to appeal to those who want elegance, comfort, and sustainability all in one package. The 2025 DS 9010 offers an impressive combination of features that make it stand out in the premium sedan market. One of the key highlights is its plug-in hybrid powertrain. The E10 system delivers a smooth yet powerful performance by combining a petrol engine with an electric motor. This setup provides a balance of power and efficiency, making it ideal for both city driving and long-distance travel. With an all-electric range of around 40–50 miles, it's perfect for daily commutes without consuming any fuel, while the petrol engine ensures you have the range for longer journeys without the worry of recharging. When it comes to driving dynamics, the DS 9010 doesn't disappoint. It offers a refined ride with its adaptive suspension system that adjusts in real time based on road conditions and driving style. This ensures a smooth and composed experience whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating through urban streets. The car's handling is precise, and despite being a larger sedan, it feels agile and responsive, making it enjoyable to drive in various environments. Inside, the DS 9010 exudes luxury. The cabin is beautifully crafted with high-quality materials like Nappa leather, Alcantara, and real wood accents, giving it an upscale feel. The seats are not only plush and comfortable but also feature massage functions and heating, making long drives more enjoyable. The attention to detail in the interior is impressive, with subtle design touches that reflect the DS brand's focus on craftsmanship and luxury. In terms of technology, the DS 9010 is loaded with features. The infotainment system is centered around a large touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions, from navigation to climate control. The interface is intuitive, and the system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The car also comes equipped with a premium sound system that delivers crisp and clear audio, enhancing the overall driving experience. Safety features are top-notch as well. The DS 9010 includes advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features not only improve safety but also add convenience, especially on long journeys. The car's semi-autonomous driving capabilities make it easier to navigate through heavy traffic or long stretches of highway driving, allowing you to relax while still staying in control. Overall, the 2025 DS 9010 is a fantastic option for those seeking a premium, eco-friendly sedan that doesn't compromise on luxury or performance. Its hybrid powertrain offers the best of both worlds, allowing you to drive efficiently while still enjoying a powerful and smooth ride. The interior is a highlight, offering top-tier comfort and tech features that enhance both short and long trips. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews and news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Wheelwise Reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.